Hi guys, today we're going over lesson 31 for second grade. So first we'll start with place value addition. I'm going to go over an example from here. Number 6, it says 800 plus 90 plus 8. So we're going to rewrite that on the side so we can line up the place values, but we have to do that correctly. So let's look at the ones place. We have an 8, a 0, and a 0. The tens place we have nothing here, a 9, and a 0. In the hundreds place we have nothing here again, nothing here, and an 8. So we have to make sure all of these colors are lined up in the same column. So let's write the numbers here. 800 plus 90 plus 8. And if you look, we have the 0, 0, 8 here, the 0, 9, and nothing here, and the 8, nothing, nothing here. So let's start with the ones place. We have 0 plus 0. Plus 8, and that's just 8 because 0 is nothing. If you have 8 and you're adding nothing to it, it's going to stay the same. So this is 8. The tens place we have 0 plus 9, which is just 9. The hundreds place we have 8 and nothing, so we're going to bring it down. 898. There we go. Another way you can think of this is you're replacing the numbers, these zeros. So this 8, which is in the ones place right here, it's underlined in blue. It's replacing this 0, which is also underlined in blue, because they're all in the ones place. And if you look here, the tens place, this number is in the tens place, it's replacing this 0 right here. And that's how you get 898. So yeah, that's how you solve these questions, the place value addition. Now let's move on to shapes. We're going to go over number 6, hexagon. So let's remember that a hexagon has 6 vertices and 6 sides. Hexa right here basically means 6. So that's why we have 6 vertices and 6 sides. And now we just need to draw a shape that has 6 vertices and 6 sides. So typically they're going to look like this. If you look here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, so check. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices, so also check. So now we know that we drew a hexagon. I'll redraw it right here so it's neater. But yeah, if they ask you to draw a hexagon, it'll usually look like this. And yeah, so that's how you do the draw the shapes page. And now let's go on to coins. It says to count and write the value of the coins. So as a quick refresher, let's just recall what value each coin has. Big coins like this are $50. They are 50 cents. Coins like this are 25 cents. And that's the quarter. This coin right here is the dime. It's 10 cents. This is the nickel, 5 cents. And quick color. This is the penny, which is 1 cent. And all of these coins have a tails and a head side, so they look different depending on which side you look at. And some coins, even if it's the same coin with the same value, there might be different heads or different tails. But generally, they look something like this. And it's important to be able to recognize the coins and how much each coin represents. So now let's actually take a look at number 3. We have these 4 coins here. Let's just write down how much each coin is. So we have a dime right here. This is 10 cents. Another dime here, 10 cents again. Right here, this is the nickel, which is 5 cents. And then here, this is the quarter. They look the same, and this is the quarter 25 cents. And now we want to find the total value of this collection of coins, so we're going to add. Do it right here. We have 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 5 cents plus 25 cents. Those are the 2 dimes, the nickel, and the quarter. So again, make sure that you have your ones place lined up and your tens place lined up like that. So let's look at the ones place. We have 0 plus 0, which is a 0, and then the 5 plus 5, which equals 10. So we'll have to regroup. Move that 10 to the tens place. In the tens place now, we have 1 plus 1, which equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And then 3 plus 2 equals 5. So this collection of coins equals 50 coins. 50 cents, sorry, 50 cents. And that's how you count and add up coin values. Let's go over word problems now. Number 2, we'll go over this one. It says, Kara goes grocery shopping. She buys bananas for 75 cents, apples for $2.34, and oranges for 67 cents. How much does Kara pay in total? So it's important to note that when you write money, it typically looks like this. So we have a dot right here, and to the left of the dot, this is the dollars. And remember, $1 equals 100 cents. So basically, $1 equals 100 cents. And then to the right of this dot right here, to the right we have the cents. Because we have $0, all we have are cents. We have 75 cents. This can also be written as this, the way we're used to seeing it. And the cost of the apples, right here to the left of the dot, we have a 2. So this is $2, or $2. And to the right, we have a 3, 4. So this is 35 cents. Or you can write it like this, 35 cents. But when you add, it doesn't really matter as long as you have the place values again lined up. And it's just adding like normal addition. Let's add the bananas and the apples first so we can demonstrate that. We have $0, 0.75. I'm going to add it with the dollar sign, 2.34. We're adding because we want to find out how much you paid in total. So this is just the bananas and apples for now. And again, we're just going to focus on each place value. We have 5 plus 4 here, 9. 7 plus 3 here. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Again, we're going to regroup just like we normally do. And then in the, right here, the dollar side, we have 1 plus 0 plus 2, or 1 plus 2, which is just 3. And we're going to bring down this dot, these dots right here. We're going to bring it down. And this dollar sign, we're going to bring it down as well. So this says we have $3.09, 3.09. Now we're going to add that to the cost of the oranges. 3.09 plus 0.67. 0.67. Again, right here we have 9 and 7, which is 16, 6, and we're going to regroup. Move it to the next place value. So now we have a 1 at the top. 1 plus 0 plus 6 is just 7. Oops, sorry. 1 plus 0 plus 6, 7. Then bring down these dots right here. And now we just have 3 plus 0 in the dollars. And bring down the dollar sign. And this says we have $3.76 as our answer. So Kara pays $3.76 in total. So we added the bananas and apples first, and then we added the cost of oranges to the sum of bananas and apples to find the total she paid, which is $3.76. So that's how you do these kind of questions. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and thank you guys for watching.